Alright guys, so today we're doing a startup of a carrier furnace. You'll see the gas turn on there, and you'll see that start up and spin. And let's go ahead and see that. Alright Kyle, go ahead.
Okay.
Make sure I'm not in Kyle's shot and also get my own shot.
It's going on. There you go. Alright, that's about it now. Get over
Might
here.
as well do a shot now.
Yeah. Actually, might. Yeah. Oh, that's not. Let's close it up. That's a good view of the planes right there.
Yeah, hold on. Let me get close up.
There's the planes.
Yeah, see you guys next time. Alright guys, here it is running with the panel on.